Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video was very much a spur of the moment video. The other day a package came in the post from Freshly Cosmetics, and normally I do unboxings on my Instagram stories, but today I thought I would just do it on a YouTube video. So if you'd like to see what's in my parcel from Freshly Cosmetics, please keep watching. So I think I'm going to need scissors, so bear with me. And just like that in my drawer, I have pairs of nail scissors. So let's just get this opened. Now this is a gift from Freshly Cosmetics, it's not something that I've ordered. I do have a sneaky suspicion of what's inside it because I've seen a lot of other people on Instagram do unboxing on this. There we go, what's inside. I really honestly wasn't expecting Freshly Cosmetics to send this out to me because they only made 1,000 of these boxes, so it's very limited edition, and it's basically the 3 of their best sellers. Let's just get it opened. Anybody else? Oh, here we go. So you can see it comes really beautifully boxed in this sort of unicorn, pastel, lilac, yellowy and pink colours. Let's see. So in the little card it says, being radiant is everyday attitude. Freshly's 3 best-selling limited editions can now be yours. So in here we have Freshly Cosmetics 3 best sellers. We have got the Golden Radiance Body Oil, which I absolutely love. I featured this on my favourites on one of my previous YouTube videos, and I'm always talking about it on my Instagram. The Blue Radiance Enzymatic Serum, oh my god, this is amazing. I reviewed this on my Instagram. This is one of the most amazing skincare products you can use as part of your nighttime routine. And in here we've got the Hyper Concentrate Eye Contour Serum. This is a product that I have never tried before from Freshly. Golden Radiance Body Oil, which I absolutely love. This is one of my favourite Freshly Cosmetics products. And just look at this gorgeous golden oil. So you rub this into your body and your skin just as soon as you come out the bath or the shower while your skin is still wet. And it just smells absolutely amazing. You can then, after you've done that, after you've dried your skin, put a moisturiser on top. I just wish Freshly Cosmetics made this into a perfume. If they made this into a perfume, I would be wearing it absolutely every single day. And this is the Blue Radiance Enzyme Serum. I will show you how this comes out. I do have another bottle of this. This is like a little miracle. Just pop this onto your skin here. This is how you just rub that into your skin. So this, again, you only use this after you've done your nighttime skin routine. You can also use it as a serum because I feel it feels like a serum, but it's actually recommended that you put this on after you've done your night skincare routine, just before going to bed. And the next product we have got the Hyper Concentrated Eye Serum, which I've never tried from Freshly Cosmetics, which I'm actually really excited to try this. This is a new product for me to try. So it's just this little bottle of treatment for dark circles, under eye bags and expression lines. I definitely need that. So the eye serum, just put a little bit of drop on there. Oh, that feels really nice. If I didn't have makeup on, I would be putting that on my eyes right now. But what to do is follow my Instagram and I will be doing some stories and then a review on this. Doesn't have any smell, which I think is a good thing for an eye product. So that's everything you get in your Freshly Radiance pack. Thank you so much, Freshly, for sending that out to me. I absolutely love it. Everything in there I absolutely adore. So guys, thanks so much for watching this video. It was very spur of the moment, not thought out.